I've been on hiatus from making videos, and that's because there is so much that I need to do in my garden slash yard. And one of the things that, actually there's 4 things that I wanted to share with you today. One of those is that there is a YouTuber named Granny Moreno. That's her YouTube name. And she is having some health challenges, and it would be great if we all rallied around Homestead Aquarius, who's making an effort to get additional support for her. If you tune in, go to his channel, I'll put the link there. You can see what efforts he's doing to try to help her out. Number 2 is I wanted to show you these pots. I got these from Walmart, and this was an idea that I saw over at Lead Farmer 73's channel. And if you go to Walmart, make sure if cost is an issue. There's, at least at my Walmart, they price these differently. The black pots are twice the price of the teal pots. And then all he did was he planted his fruit trees in his pot, and then there's the 4 holes at the bottom to make sure there's sufficient drainage. So I did all the usual stuff, got the compost, have my worm castings, the black cow manure, wood chips, so forth. And then these are snapdragons. So I'm looking forward to seeing how those do. They're a little struggling a little bit today because I just planted those. And these are just for another touch of color here. But so that's number 2. Number 3 is I have my poke salad, and I meant to take these down before they got to this point, because this now that these seed pods are drying out, they're dropping and they're depositing all over, and that just means that I'm going to have a lot of volunteers all over. That's okay. It turned out they were a great trap crop. The caterpillars seem to really like them. I eat poke salad as well, so that's not an issue. If any of you want poke salad seeds, contact me via my email address, and that's sleeplessinthecarolinas@gmail.com, and send me a self-addressed stamped envelope once we exchange location information, and then you will have that. And then finally, I think I'm at number 4, hopefully I didn't lose count, is I decided to have 2 of these little hoop house, greenhouse, whatever you want to call it. And I've done videos on this before. What I'm doing a little bit different this year is because I have so many pepper plants, and I have several in pots. The ones that I have in the ground, I decided to leave in the ground and treat this as a greenhouse. And if these plants survive, that's okay. If they don't, that's okay as well, because these I actually bought as the tiny little plants that you see in the container in those little pots at Lowe's. And the growth on these things is impressive. So I'm not going to get stressed out if they don't make it. I've been harvesting and sharing these peppers. As you see, these are the jalapenos, those are the cayenne. And I will water them. I have the 6 mil plastic, and this was an inexpensive structure to make. I had planned to do the cattle panel, but that didn't work out. And this actually is going to be better for me because I can move it. And I did buy some additional plastic. This is my plastic from last year. So I don't know if I had mentioned again, I'm going to be on hiatus, and I will, as I can, stop in, check out your videos, because I do learn a lot. I do enjoy them, but I really need to try to get some stuff done here. And again, check out Homestead Aquarius's site, his channel, and see if you can help out Granny Moreno.